Open that door. Close it back. I went with the two thermometers, heat thermometers, because I want to know where the heat coming, how hot it is coming up and coming across and going out the exhaust. That's the reason. You can sit it on back. That's the reason I put a slide tray in there. Grab that tray, show them how it slides. Put your meat in. See your heat coming up here. Now hold. And this is a way I can regulate that too. I could slide something there, depends, to have it coming out halfway. Now slide the tray back, put your meat on, and you can slide. Close it back. All right, and for easy mobility,